bururi wa Iran guku bururi-ini niwe Dr. Jafar Barmaki niaugite ati nimekunyitanira kana bururi wa Iran niukunyitanira na thirikari ya kaunti ya Siaya gutigirira ati nimatigirira ati iganda cia ruhonge rwa mitambo ya kiriu kana ICT ni umwe wa maundu maria makorwo makihandwo na guthegeio kuri kaunti-ini ya Siaya. Makiaria mari wabici-ini cia governor wa kaunti ya Siaya niwe James Orengo ni matariria ati sekta kana imwe cia sekta iria matanyitwo gukorwo magiukiriria ni hamwe na sekta ya githomo, sekta ya mathibitari niyo sekta ya ugima wa mwiri, oro hamwe na sekta ya ukuria wa matura na ningi sekta ya urimi.
Sure, your county and my government can have very good cooperation. Regarding the health, we are ready to supply the medical equipments for your hospital in very competitive prices and on credit. There is the possibility for that. Those who would like to or started with a startup company, especially the youth, they have some ideas. They would like to develop it, and they are looking for investor. They can refer to iHit in Nairobi, and if their ideas is acceptable, then there is the possibility this idea to be shared with accelerating teams which are based in Iran to work on that idea, to modify it and commercialize it.
We develop areas of cooperation and doing business, and how we can attract also investments. I think that one we didn't talk about.
Yeah.
How we can attract investments from Iran. I think we should develop an area to do with investments, institutions, agencies, or the private sector in Iran.
Aya, na tuli umwe na